Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a gorgeous transportation services layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the transportation services layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. A creative combination of section dividers, background textures, and more. So this is a very clean layout, which you can use for all kinds of purposes. So you are free to use all of the images that are included as well. And if you want to use these layouts on your own website, you simply have to go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages and click on Add New. Give your page a title. Publish your page. Enable the Divi Builder and switch over to Visual Builder right away. So once you switch over to Visual Builder, you'll have three options. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And if you want to browse the layouts, you simply have to click on this purple button over here. You will be redirected to the pre-made layouts, and over here you can find all of the layout packs, and you can use these for free without any restrictions. So you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your own website, or you can scroll down until you come across the transportation services layout pack, and it's the most recent one over here. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are included, and you don't necessarily have to upload a layout to see what it looks like. You can simply view the live demo. For instance, if you want to take a look at the landing page, you simply have to click on landing over here and then click on the blue button which says view live demo. And what this will do is it will bring you to a live website that has all of these layouts installed, so you can see what they look like, and you can scroll through them and decide whether or not you want to upload one of these layouts to your website. And once you decide to upload one of them, you simply go back to your WordPress website and click on the green button over here. And then it will ask you for an authentication. So I've gone ahead and added my authentication, and now the layout is being uploaded to my page. So now you can go ahead and play around with all of these settings. You can change the content to make it match with your own website, or you can play around with the built-in settings that the Visual Builder provides you with. And for instance, what you can do is you can view the settings of each one of the design elements. If you want to do that with this row over here, you can click on the row settings, and you can browse through the different settings to see what changes have been made to it already and make changes over here. Or you can go back and select the filter option over here and go to modified styles, which will allow you to see all of the changes that have been made to this row, and go ahead and change these settings instead of having to search for all of the settings that have already been applied to it. You can also easily experiment with the color palette using the find and replace features. So for instance, if I want to change the icon color of each one of these blurb modules over here, I can easily do that in one click. So I'll just open this blurb module over here, and I'll go to the design tab, open the image and icon settings, and over here if I right click on this color and click on find and replace, I can replace this color using another one. So for instance, if I want to replace it with a blue color, I can select my color of choice and click on replace. And as you can see, all of the blurb modules have been changed, and you can go from there. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.